Hi there. We have been working from home over a month now. During this period of the time, lots of people doing lots of video conference and lots of online teaching stuff already. Now let's talk about how to improve the quality of video conference or online teaching. That means how to improve the live streaming quality. I want to discuss this with 3 points. One is location. Where can you set up your little studio? The second is how to improve your quality of video. The third is how to improve the quality of your audio. Let's start first. What should we avoid when we set up our little studio?
The only thing you should avoid to pick up location for your studio is to avoid the windows at your background. You see, for my current setup, I have a windows at my background. This setup is very good for the daily working because I have enough lights on my desk on my computer, so I can do whatever stuff with good lighting there. But this not good for the live streaming, not good for the video conference or online teaching stuff, because the windows facing the camera lens directly, everything in front of camera is have very strong backlighting, which come from the windows. So everything in front of camera has faded out because of backlighting. Unless you have very strong reason, you have to set up something like this. For example, you want to show off your beautiful view outside the window, or you have very powerful lights in front of you. So you should avoid to set up something like this. The easy way to fix this problem is, instead of to have the window at your back, you just turn yourself in, so that you facing the window like this. Okay, how is that? It looks great, right? Because you turn off yourself, so let yourself facing the window, so everything is good lighting there. But you maybe say, okay, I can turn myself like this, but I lost my workspace because I need my desk space. So I need that workspace instead of just using the laptop. I need put some paper around. I need put some equipment around. So I need my desk space. I couldn't move my desk, so I couldn't turn myself to facing the window. What should you do? Another easy fix is, if you couldn't turn yourself, you just close the blind like this. So if you couldn't avoid the window at background, you just close your blind. So don't let the backlighting coming. But if you close the blind, you don't have enough lights in your room. So what you can do is turn on your light like this. You see, you can turn on the light to get something better. But the problem is my light is on the ceiling. So this light, like you got light from right above your head, is not really good looking to your face. So to avoid this kind of problem, instead of using the ceiling light, you can use your table lights. For example, I have a work light on my table, so I can turn this light to my face and turn on my lights. Wow, looks great, right? So now this is the better quality. But still, because the table light, they don't have any diffuser there. So the light too hard is still not good. It's still not good looking on your face. The easy fix for this one is if you are using LED light, be careful. If you are using LED light, you can use this fix. So the easy fix for this one is take a piece of paper towel and then cover your light like this. Now I use a piece of paper towel to cover the light, so make light a little bit soften. So this make your face looks better. But be careful, this is only for LED light because it could be a potential fire hazard. If you are not sure if you light LED light, please do not use this way. Okay, now let's talk about how to improve the quality of your video. So first thing is lighting. Lighting is the key for the good quality of the video or good quality for the pictures. It doesn't matter how good your camera is, it always needs a better lighting in order to get a better quality of your videos. For example, for my setup, I have two lights. One is my key light, one is my fill-in light. I set up this way. For some simple setting, you can only set up one light in front of your camera. The very popular light is kind of ring light. There's only one light right in front of your camera lens that can give you like a good enough quality, and then you don't need invest too much money. So lighting is the key. It doesn't matter where your studio is, you need light. You need a better light for sure. Next thing I want to talk about is the camera. For the better quality of video, you need a better camera. So the built-in camera for your laptop sometimes is not good enough for some request. It can provide video, but usually it's not very good quality. So if you want a better quality for your video, you better use the external camera. For example, I have a camera here. I have a DSLR camera. So I just mounted it. Then I have a small box like this. So this box can let me run my DSLR camera as the webcam. In this way, I can connect my camera to either Zoom or Team, whatever. So you, instead of using your laptop built-in camera, you can use the external DSLR. This will give you very, very good quality compared to the built-in camera in your laptop.
Another benefit to using external camera instead of a laptop built-in camera is you can use the long focal length instead of using the wide angle lens on the laptop. On the laptop camera, they come with the wide angle lens or ultra wide angle lens there, because the laptop only an arm away from your face. In order to take a head or shoulder shot from the camera on the laptop, they have to use wide angle lens. The problem is because the camera is so close to your face, the lens will cause distortion on your face. That's why your face looks a little bit ugly when you on the camera, on the laptop built-in camera, because the camera too close to your face. But if you're using the external camera, you can set up the camera 1 or 2 meters away from you. In this case, you don't have to use wide angle lens. You can using like a mid or long focal lens. For example, you can use 50 millimeter or 85 millimeter lens. This is perfect for the portrait. This will give you very beautiful face looking with that lens compared to the laptop built-in camera. This is another benefit. They will make your face looks more normal, make your face looks more beautiful compared to the picture taken from the camera inside your laptop. Now let's talk about the background. So when you set up your little studio, it's better you set up your background either with the green or blue. This will be easy for you, like set up your virtual background inside the software. Now let's talk about how to improve your audio. For the live streaming, audio also very important. So there are some easy way to improve your audio quality there. First thing is using the headset. So we all know the laptop have built-in speaker and built-in microphones. But the problem is those devices will automatically change into half duplex mode. That means when the speaker have sound, your microphone will be off. This will avoid your microphone pick up the sound from your speaker and then send the sound back to the system. This will got the feedback, we call the feedback. So in order to get rid of this kind of problem, so your microphone will turn off automatically when your speaker have sound. But if you want to speak to your microphone at the same time when speaker have sound, your microphone probably won't work properly. So another way is, if the laptop detecting you are really speaking to the microphone, your laptop will turn off the speaker. So in this case, you won't got the system sound pick up by your microphone. So this we call the half duplex. For example, in the classroom, both sides will speaking, so probably this won't work properly. You will hear the sound on and off from both sides. So in order to avoid this, use the headset. When you're using your headset, you got your sound from your earphone, so your microphone will never pick up the sound from your earphone. And then when you speak something, you speak to the microphone directly. And also because the microphone is so close to your mouth, and then it will take very less noisy sound from the surrounding. In this case, they will give you better sound about your speaking. Not like the laptop, the built-in microphone is so far away from your mouth. When the laptop pick up your sound, they have to increase the power in order to pick up your sound properly. In this case, they also increasing the power to pick out surrounding sound. So most of the time, your sound will be mixed with the surrounding sound. For example, the furnace starting or something else. So it's not the good quality of your sound. When you're using the headset, the microphone is so close to your mouth, so it's very easy to pick up sound clearly from your mouth, not the surrounding sound. This will give you a better quality. Another thing to improve the sound quality is to set up something to observe the sound reflection. For example, in my basement here, you can buy some, for the professional requirement, you can buy some foam to set up like a foam wall. This will absorb all the sound to reduce the reflection, so you got a better sound. But if you don't want to do that, there's some easy way. For example, in my basement, I just temporarily set up this studio. In order to improve the sound quality here, instead of buy the foam wall, I just hang the spare blanket. I have several spare blanket here, so I just hang in this wall. Another wall, I have a green backdrop there, so it also a content material. So I just hang there. It's kind of reduce a lot of sound reflection from the walls. They will give me some better quality for sure. Okay, that's all for today. Today we have discussed how to improve the live streaming qualities. That's including try to avoid the windows at your background when you set up your little studio. Try to using better lighting gears to improve your video quality. Try to using the external camera like a DSLR to improve your video quality. Try to set up properly green background to improve your video quality. Try to using the headset to improve your sound quality. That including the earphone and the microphones. Try to hang the spare blanket around your room to improve the audio quality. That's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Have a great day.